Students, today I am going to start lesson thermodynamics, and in this video I covered topics basic terms, thermodynamic system and system variables. So what is thermodynamics? The thermodynamics means it is the branch of physics. It is the branch of physics that deals with the concept of heat and temperature and the conversion of heat and other forms of energy is the thermodynamic. In this, we will study the conversion of work into energy as heat. Heat is the form of energy and can be converted into many forms. See, when two bodies are in thermal contact with each other, there is a transfer of energy from the body at higher temperature to the body at lower temperature. The energy in transfer is called the heat. SI unit of heat is the joule. And also, when two parts of body are at different temperature, there is a transfer of energy from the part of the higher temperature of the body to the lower temperature of the body. Now, second is the temperature. Temperature of body is a quantitative measure of the degree of hotness or the degree of coolness of the body. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. And temperature difference determines the direction of flow of heat from one body to another or from one part of the body to the another part. Now, today in this video, I am going to discuss the basic terms which are used in thermodynamics. Let us see about thermodynamics and some basic terms. So, there are some basic terms. System surrounding. Students, listen, which I am going to teach here. And now, these terms are very important to understand the chapter thermodynamics. So, listen carefully. Thermodynamics is mainly deals with the different form of energy and their interconversion. And there are some basic terms that are used in thermodynamics. So first term is system. So what is system? System is anything which is real in universe. It's called as system. For example, suppose if you are studying in a room means in a room gas is present, then the gas is the system. So what is the system? System is the gas present in a room. It's called the system. Now second term is surrounding. What is surrounding? Surrounding means everything excluded of system in universe can be considered as a surrounding. For example, water kept in a glass. See, water kept in a glass vessel. The water is the system and this vessel is the boundary, and the atmosphere around it is the surrounding. What is surrounding? Surrounding is the atmosphere present around the vessel is the surrounding, and water in a vessel is the system, and this vessel is the boundary. Boundary which separates the system and surrounding. Boundary क्या करती है? Boundary which separates the system, this is the system, and surrounding is the boundary. This is called the boundary. Schematically diagram shows the system and boundary and the atmosphere present around that System is the surrounding. Next is thermodynamic systems. So, a thermodynamic system is a collection of group of objects that can form a unit which may have ability to exchange energy with its surrounding. It's called a thermodynamic system. See, this is an example of system. Water kept in a vessel. You know that water is the system, this is the boundary, and the atmosphere around this is the surrounding, or it is called the environment. System classified on the basis of heat transfer. There are three systems: open system, closed system, and third is isolated system. So now next is, what is open system? Open system means a system that freely allows exchange of energy and matter with its surrounding. For example, see, diagram shows. In this diagram, take water in a container, just heat it. This is the water in a container and just heat it. This is the lamp, source of heat. After some times, water level comes down. After some time, what happens? After heating, this water level comes down. Water level कैसे होती है? हीटिंग के बाद में कम होती है. It means, what it means? It means water is converted into water vapor and mass is exchanging between system and surrounding. And mass, that water vapors are the mass, is exchanging between system and surrounding. This is the surrounding and this is the system. That's why heat energy is exchanging between system and surrounding. It is the open system. Open system means क्या है कि that freely allows exchange of energy and matter with its surrounding. It's called the open system. Second is closed system. What is closed system? A system that allows exchange of energy only, not matter. ठीक है. Closed system means क्या है कि that allows the exchange of energy only, not matter. Matter exchange नहीं होता. It means mass exchange नहीं होता इसमें. इसमें only it allows the exchange of energy only. For this, for example, take a cup of tea. This is the cup of tea. Keep lid to over it. This is the lid. ढक्कन करके इसको रखा है ये हॉट कप को. After some times, what happens? After some times, it becomes cool. Here, only energy transfers and there is no transfer of mass. इसमें क्या होता है? Mass transfer होता है in the form of vapors. इसमें अगर ढक के रखा है तो ढकने के बाद में यहाँ पे मास ट्रांसफर नहीं हो रहा है, सिर्फ एनर्जी ट्रांसफर हो रही है. दैट्स व्हाई a closed system allows the exchange of energy only, not matter. Third is isolated system. A system in which there is no transfer of energy and no transfer of mass. For this, for example, you know that thermoflask. Take a thermoflask. अगर thermoflask लिया, उसमें आपने हॉट वाटर और कूल वाटर भर के रखा है. टेक अ thermoflask, keep hot water or cool water in it. After certain extent, it will be hot or after some times it becomes a cool. It depends insulation. इंसुलेशन पे डिपेंड करता है. और अगर आपने हॉट वाटर उसमें रखा है तो आफ्टर सम टाइम्स इट विल बी हॉट. अगर कोल्ड वाटर है तो आफ्टर सम टाइम्स इट विल बी कूल. हियर मोर इंसुलेशन, हॉटनेस स्टे लॉन्गर पीरियड. अगर ज़्यादा इंसुलेशन है तो hotness stay longer period, and there is in isolated system there is no exchange of mass and energy. ये है 3 thermodynamic systems: open system, closed system, and third is isolated system. Next is system variables, or it is called the property of a system. System variables means the property of a system or a system variable is any measurable or observable characteristics or property of the system when the system remains in equilibrium. It is the system variables. Consider a room. Consider a room, and room is filled with a gas. In this room, pressure, volume and temperature are continuously changing. You know that these variables which are used to define about the state of system. Which variables? Pressure, volume and temperatures. We called it as the thermodynamics variables. There are two variables. First is intensive variable and second is extensive variable. What is intensive variable? A variable that does not depend on the size of the system, or it is also called the mass of the system, is called intensive variable. For example, pressure, temperature and density are the examples of intensive variables. Second is extensive variable. What is extensive variable? A variable that depends on the size of the system. Means the mass of the system is called the extensive variable. For example, internal energy, mass. That are the examples of extensive variable. Thank you.